it's Melissa, and welcome back to my channel. Are you ready to create with the newest Softlex Company design kit, Double Rainbow? We will be making an adorable pair of earrings using beads from this kit, or adorable rainbow charm, and we're using a few of these beads, as well as these exclusive items, 6mm check glass with AB fire polish. We'll need one 2x2 and earring finding of your choice. And I'm using the beautiful purple amethyst soft flex wire that came in the kit. And before we start creating, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It helps my little channel grow. I'm trying to reach my goal of 1,000 subscribers. And down below in the description, I will leave a link if this kit is still available for a tutorial playlist for all things created with the Double Rainbow design kit. Let's start creating. We're going to need one 6mm jump. So we have our 6mm jump ring, and I'm using silver. That's what came in the kit. The charms are a little bit like on the lighter side of a gold plating, but it's okay to mix and match your metals. So we have our open 6mm jump ring, and we're just going to attach our charm. We're going to close our jump ring, and we should hear a little click. We'll know it's secure. We're just going to set that off to the side. Normally for this style of earrings, I will pre-measure my soft flex, but I'm going to do something a little different and keep it on the spool just to act as a bead strand. So we're going to start on the top of our earring. We're just going to alternate between the 4mm beads and the 6mm beads. And what I love about the clear AB is you can see the beautiful purple amethyst soft flex showing. I love that soft flex wire comes in so many different colors, and you can really mix and match for your design. So we're going to have 4 of our 4mm and 3 of our 6mm added on. We're just going to add on our 6mm jump ring as if it were a bead, and we're going to do the same thing on the other side. Alternate between the 4 and the 6mm. And these are wonderful little earrings. It's a great way to use any leftover beads, or if you just want to make a really quick gift, you can make a pair in about 10 minutes. And down below in the description, I will also leave a link for my earring playlist. So we have all of the beads added on. We're just going to cut a good workable length. So usually about 5 to 5.5 inches of soft flex wire is what you'll need per earring. And then we're going to add in our 2x2. Doesn't matter which side we add it onto. With opposite side, we're just going to give it a little crisscross and give it a pull. And this is going to create our little loop. Now with the larger side of soft flex wire, we're going to pass back through our 2x2. And this sometimes can be a little tricky. We'll hold 3 medium soft flex wires. We're just going to make any adjustments as needed until we have our little loop. Now we want to compare to our other one and make sure that our loops are fairly the same size. They don't have to be perfect, but you just would like them similar. And give our little 2x2 a squish. And this is just going to flatten it and keep everything sturdy and in place. And normally I'll take my pliers and round my 2x2, just gives it a more professional finish. But due to the placement of the beads, you can just flatten them. We're going to take our pliers and just cut off any extra soft flex wire. Make sure to save any wire. You can always save it for another product. Have our adorable little rainbow earring. And if you wanted to, you can always put like another little charm on the inside. So completely up to you. And then we're in the final steps. We're just going to take our ear wire, connect it to our loop, and give it a close. And we have beautiful rainbow earrings using the newest Softflex Company design kit, Double Rainbow. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It helps my little channel grow. And also check out down below for more tutorials as well as the products used in this video. Have an awesome day.